Namaskar. Many people take up yoga for weight reduction, especially belly fat. They are very particular to see that belly fat is lost. At the Yoga Institute, we encourage them to pay close attention to their diet, sufficient sleep, physical activity, and other lifestyle aspects. Practicing yoga asana regularly also helps to improve your muscular and skeletal system. Here, I am going to explain 7 yoga postures in a sequence, and even beginners can do in 7 minutes. This flow will definitely improve your muscle tone at the belly level if you practice it daily. The first posture is TALASANA, palm tree pose. Let us see 2 variations of this posture. Variation 1, stand straight with hands by your side. Keep your feet parallel to each other with 1 foot distance between them. Inhaling, raise your right arm forward and stretch it upward, along with raising both the heel. Stretch upwards as much as you can. Exhaling, bring your arms down and see that your arms turn backwards in a rotation to come down. Along with it, gently bring your heels also down. Repeat with the left hand. For variation 2, follow the instructions of variation 1 and raise both arms simultaneously. This asana tones the muscle of your abdomen and enables free and natural accommodation of your internal organs. The second asana is KONASANA 3, the angle posture. Stand with your feet parallel to each other, 2.5 feet apart. Keep your hands by the side. Now raise both your arms upwards, palm facing upwards at the shoulder level. Spread your hands to both the sides, expand your chest and turn your head on the right side. Fit your gaze at the tip of the finger of your palm and follow the palm along with your movement. Exhaling, twist your upper body from the waist towards the left and bend down so that the right hand touches the left toe. Swing your left hand upwards towards the ceiling. Twist your head and neck to look at the left hand. Hold this position for a few seconds. Now look down again and fix your gaze on the right palm. Inhaling, bring your body up. Continue to look at the right palm till you are standing straight. The hands are spread apart and exhale and turn your head to the left and practice all these steps on the other side. After this, relax your both hands down and bring feet together. Besides reducing belly fat, this asana provides intra-abdominal compression and gives a good massage to all your internal organs. Third posture is a VAJRASANA, ADAMANT pose. Kneel down on your mat, keeping your knees together. Let your big toes touch each other. Lower your body and sit gently on the hollow which is created by the feet. Keep your spine straight, chin parallel to the floor. Rest your palm facing downwards on your knee. Focus your gaze at one point, or better keep your eyes closed and observe your breathing. Stay in this posture for a few minutes. Slowly open the eyes and gently raise your body and then stretch your legs. This asana really improves digestion as it provides good amount of circulation at the abdominal region. Fourth posture is PARVATASANA or mountain pose. Sit in a crossed leg position with both hands on the side. Keep your spine straight. Inhaling, raise your arms upwards and join the palm together. Keep your upper arm closer to your ear without bending the arm. Stretch your both arms upward and stay there. Fix your gaze at the single point ahead of you. Stay in this position for a few seconds. Exhaling, turn your palms downwards and bring your both the hands down. Variations of this asana are bending sideways, twisting to both the sides, going backward and forward, keeping both the palms together above your head. This posture exercises your inactive waist zone and helps to reduce your flabby abdomen. Fifth yogasana is Dhanurvakrasana, a bow pose. Lie down on your belly with both hands on the side. Bend your knees and fold your both legs towards the back. Grab the ankles of your leg and then raise your head upwards while inhaling. At the same time, pull your both the legs upwards, arching the spine, keeping both legs as far as possible together. Hold this bow position for a few seconds. Now exhaling, come back to the normal position and relax. This back bend pushes great pressure on your abdomen, on your navel area, and your entire body is balanced on the navel area, the core muscle. Sixth posture is Pavan Muktasana, the air-free posture. Here you have to lie supine on your back with legs together, hands on the side. Exhaling, raise your right leg straight. Then fold it at your knee joint. Bring your knee closer to your chest and grab the knee with your both arms. Pull the knee up to your chest. Give a pressure to your abdomen and stay in this position for some time. Release your hand and now inhaling, make your legs straight and come back to the starting position. Repeat the same with the other leg. Another variation of Pavan Muktasana is doing the same thing with both the legs together. A flabby abdomen and subnormal function of the abdominal viscera responds very well to this asana. And the seventh asana is Yashtikasana, a stick posture. Lie down supine straight with both the hands on the sides, palm facing downwards. Inhaling, raise both your hands together, keeping both the hands parallel to each other and rest them on the ground above your head. Simultaneously, stretch your toes outwards. Stretch your entire body completely from toes to the arm. Toes should be stretched in such a way that all the fingers, they point outwards. In this posture, the beauty is that both hands and toes, they move together. It is like a neuromuscular coordination and whole body is stretched. Stay in this stretched position for a few seconds and come back to the normal position. Yastikasana effectively stretches the entire body and tones the normally relaxed abdominal muscles. After Yastikasana, you may end this 7 minutes flow by performing Shavasana. Just relax, keep your both legs away from each other, palm facing upwards, stretched outwards or away from your body, and just relax in this position. Here, close your eyes and focus your mind on the abdomen. Abdomen would move up and down. You are breathing normally here and just relax. Remember, in order to keep your weight in check, you need to balance your food intake along with your metabolism. Simple exercises like this 7 minutes flow will help to speed up your metabolic rate. This will ensure that unwanted fat will not get stored in your body. Namaskar.